Hello and welcome to Hysoon Australia. In this short video we're going to show you the basic features and operation of our dash controls to our most popular selling machine, being the HY380 with joystick control. On the left hand side you've got a 12-volt auxiliary switch. If you raise the lid you can use that to charge your mobile phone or anything else that also suits. Next to that you've got the choke, which needs to be pulled out when starting the vehicle. Once the engine starts, you return it to the original position. The fuel gauge indicator shows you how much fuel is in the tank, the oil temperature, and the hour meter, which records the number of hours the machine has used, and you can also use that to maintain your service schedule. That is a dash mounted horn. Next to that is the headlight switch. Then we've got the ignition lock currently in the off position. If you turn that one click to the right, then the electrical indicator light comes on, which tells you that the battery is fully charged and the system is ready for operation. Also the engine oil pressure indicator switches on to let you know that it is monitoring correctly. Once started, the engine oil pressure will switch off and only come on if there's a problem. The throttle control showing a tortoise and the hare, the fast and slow. The joystick on the left controls forward, rearward, left and right movement. The control stick on the right controls the bucket for up, down, forward and tilt. The center control is to operate the attachments if you want to lock the attachment continuously, for example running a trencher forward and reverse. This is the electrical switch. When that is in the on position, battery current is circulating through and being drawn. When you're storing the vehicle overnight, it is recommended that you remove that key. Fuel filler cap, lockable. Insert the key, turn the key, remove the filler cap, fill it up, and return the cap. And there you have it. That's the basic controls to the HY380. Thank you.